United Arab Emirates is one of the countries in the world which have best road networks and traffic systems. For better controlling and regulation of traffic, sufficient traffic signs and road markings are provided. Hi friends, in this video we are going to watch the traffic signs and road markings in Dubai, one of the Emirates of UAE.
Control signs are used to show the right way prior to the direction of travel. This is no entry sign. Vehicles cannot enter on this direction. The signs means that except authorized vehicles, entry is not permitted. This signal means that we need to stop the vehicle. Since the carriageway is entering the highway, we need to stop and check. Then proceed if the way is clear. This is give way sign, which allow us to proceed if the way is clear. This sign says that you must give way to the pedestrians. Pedestrians have priority here. Then we have one-way street signs, which allow traffic flow in one direction only. We have straight, left, right one-way street signs.
Mandatory signs indicate the actions that the road users need to take. Here we can pass through either sides. Here keep right. This sign means we need to turn right. This means we need to turn left. Here we need to go ahead only. This is the sign for roundabout. We need to follow the road signs and use indicators properly while traveling on a roundabout. This sign implies that the track is for tram only. The usage of tramway by others are strictly prohibited. This is the tram. While it's entering the intersection, the way should be clear. This sign means that the way is for cyclists. This sign means that the way is for pedestrians and cyclists. Pedestrians and cyclists can use their respective passageways. This sign shows us that the minimum and maximum speed of the freeway. Here, 60 km per hour is the minimum speed of the freeway.
They indicate road users about the actions they should not take. They are prohibited actions or objects. This sign shows that pedestrians are not allowed here. In this case, this is because of tram passageway. Maximum speed limit is figure mentioned inside this sign. Speed above this is prohibited. Here, turning left is prohibited. Here, turning right is prohibited. Here, U-turn is prohibited. Here, cyclists are prohibited. Here, cyclists are not allowed to ride on the cycle on road. Here, maximum height limit is the figure mentioned inside the sign. This may be because of the overhead obstruction. This cantilever structure is provided for more safety. This sign shows you must not use your horn. This sign tells us that trucks are prohibited here. Here, trucks are not allowed in the mentioned time. This sign shows that no overtaking is allowed in this area. This sign tells us that no hazardous materials are allowed here. This sign shows that in this freeway, no stopping is allowed. No motorcycle with less than 80 cc allowed. No pedestrians allowed and no cyclist allowed. Like this, different prohibitory signs are there in different areas according to the requirements.
The parking control signs controls the parking and stopping of vehicles by proper indications. Here, you must not stop or park on the area shown by the arrow. Here, stopping is for authorized vehicles only. Here, parking is not allowed. Loading and unloading is only allowed. This sign shows that it's paid parking zone and we have to pay at the meter nearby. And this is the paying meter. We can pay in this machine and keep the receipt in the vehicle. There are different patterns of parking. This is angle parking. This is garage parking or 90-degree parking. And this is parallel parking. This sign shows that paid parking is limited to the time shown. Here, parking is reserved for handicapped. Road marking is also there. Here parking is reserved for buses. There are several bus stations also for their parking. Here parking is reserved only for taxis. Here parking for loading and unloading is only allowed. Here parking is not for heavy vehicles, it's only for the paid inhabitants of the buildings. Here parking is for the customers. Here is a place for parking of cycles. It's the truck rest area reserved for parking of trucks.
Freeways are expressways with controlled access specially built for fast travel over long distances. The sign shows that the freeway begins just before the ending of freeway. We have freeway end sign also.
Hope you enjoyed watching the video. We will continue in the second video. Thanks for watching.